race to move the most dirt. It's a scrap heap challenge for the Cooke brothers.
My one is going to be easier to use.
Hopefully this will be ready to go before yours is finished.
You got some smoke down there, mate?
Can burn out because it was in your pocket.
And father and son, George and Yanni,
Yanni! Rocks coming down, don't go!
are desperate for bombs away.
A lot of people say that I'm lucky, just hard work.
65-year-old John's been an opal miner for over half a century.
I found my first opal when I was only 14 years old.
So successful, he's known as the godfather of Coober Pedy.
Over the years I've done well, I've had some really good finds.
Oh, wow.
In 2003, John's legend status was confirmed with the discovery of this,
The smallest little bit of light and it was just glowing.
the Virgin Rainbow, worth $1 million.
This is rich. We might hear a crunch in a minute. Oh, I just hit something. See, look at that, that's opal. Now this is saleable. This is $200 an ounce material. That's a $50 piece, maybe more. Guess what? It's thickening up. Ooh, that sounded a bit better. There we go, that's what we're looking for. Now we're talking about a bit of money. This is the best bit so far.
In opal mining, the more dirt you move, the more chance you have to find opal. Big machines are one way. Another is this. In Coober Pedy, the king of bomb making is 75-year-old George Yanni. His specialty? Blowing up old underground mines to uncover new seams of opal. It's a relatively cheap and easy way to move a lot of rock, but it's rammed full of risks.
There are many friends, they're gonna die. You play with the fire, you get burned.
At the Cooke Brothers workshop, sparks are flying.
Now the fun begins.
The brothers are racing to build their dirt-chewing machines to widen their mine shafts. Mick's design has an extendable arm
This one comes out, then this one comes out.
that he'll attach to their massive drill, Megatron. Tungsten carbide steel claws will rip through rock as it rotates.
I just like the idea of mine. It's less complicated. There's no extra machines. There's only a battery and a power pack which will be on the machine.
George has found good opal trace.
Looks like a color. I go up the top now. Yanni! Woo-hoo! You can't go wrong with a material like that.
If this leads to pay dirt, it could be life-changing.
We have to work and open up when the explosion is coming.
To follow the seams of opal trace, they need to open up the shaft, and they can't do that without explosives. Three hours later, the hard truth starts sinking in.
I haven't found it yet. I think I've stuffed up.
All John has to show for his efforts, half a bucket of low-grade opal.
2 months' work for nothing.
Now we've got the shaft drilled straight down. Now we'll put this belling out machine down to the level or just above it. Mick will put the arm out, keep going round, put the arm out until it's at full extension, and that'll give us a 3 metre diameter circle. we'll take a little bit of the root and then make sure we get the start of the opal level. That's usually where your opal is. But then we'll keep going down.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of dirt.
Plutus arrives at the 18-metre mark, where good opal trace was found. Next, the 1.5-metre arm with 20 steel teeth is extended using a remote control unit.
It's a garage door opener hooked to a hydraulic power pack through relays. Just a little bit of lightning ridge ingenuity or inventiveness. Doing it on the cheap. We'll give it a shot, see what happens.
Mick needs Pete to extend the arm gradually.
Just to get line of sight.
He doesn't want the electrics receiving the remote signal to overheat.
Only hit it the once and take your finger off it.
Yeah, I'm not holding my finger
Okay.
on it. I just give it a pulse every couple of laps.
It feels like there's resistance, so I think it's going out. Let's hope it's working.
The brothers' blood, sweat and tears is paying off. The arm is churning through the dirt faster than any human could possibly achieve.
Something's overloaded and we've had a short circuit.
Finally, the explosives drought has broken. They have the ingredients. Now to get cooking.
Thank you.
Everything needs to be correctly mixed.
I like the way go.
Get this wrong, and there'll be little left of them.
This is a very important part of it, yeah? If you make a mistake, you're not coming home, are you? You're coming home bits and pieces. That was good.